Good afternoon. I believe I've made a video like this for you before, but I'm just going to go ahead and make another one just because they're so easy and quick to make. So this is a PowerPoint that I've got. So for this final part of your assignment, you want to create a presentation using some sort of presentation software. That could be Google Slides, could be PowerPoint, could be Prezi, just some sort of presentation tool to present your information. And then you want to create a voiceover like I'm doing right now on that presentation. And you need to upload it online somewhere or have it where there is a link that your colleagues can click on to access it. So the easiest way to do this, because most people have made a PowerPoint before, is just to use PowerPoint. Most people have this on their computer. And if you don't, you can use Google Slides. It works just like PowerPoint. If you go up to this top bar, now if you use Google Slides, you're going to have to use another tool though, like Loom or Screencastify or Screencast-O-Matic or something like this. But with PowerPoint, it's all built in, with the exception if you have to upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to go up to this top bar, I'm going to go to Record, and click on that. And so you can see from the beginning, from current slide, screen recording. So I'm going to start at the current slide. I'm on the first slide. Let's say that I got down to number 4 and I had to stop. When I came back, I would just say from current slide, I would go to slide 4 and go to current slide. So from beginning, it's going to open this up. I'm going to hit this red start recording button at the top. Give me a countdown, and then I'm just going to start recording and talk over this. This bar, or this black dot is only here because I'm using Screencastify. It won't be there when you do this. And what you'll notice is I go down here to advance my slide, and when I do, this counter at the top starts over again. Let me know how much I've spoken on this, and it'll total it all up at the end. So once I'm finished, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop my recording, right? And I can export here, but I'm going to get out of this. I'm going to just show you another way to do it. I want to show you a different way. So I'm just going to hit escape here. And the way that you can save this so that you can put it online or export it is what you're really doing, and put it online. So I'm just going to go to Save As. And I'm just going to put it on this PC. Then I'm going to go to this drop-down box here. And I'm going to go down to, what I want to do is I want to save it as an MPEG for video. Okay, and when I do that, okay, desktop, hit save. Now, it'll take a little while to do because you've got, and what it's telling me is I'm recording this video on top of it, and that's why it's giving me that. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit continue. It was giving me that message because I'm recording this through Screencastify at the same time I'm making it. But what you're going to do when you do that is it will save that as a video, right, on your desktop. And then all you do with that video on your desktop is you go and you upload it to YouTube. So here's my presentation that I just made right there. We'll say it is. That's actually not it. It may not have saved it because of the video I'm using in the Screencastify. But it will appear on your desktop as an MPEG. And then all you do is you just go to YouTube. You just go to YouTube. And then from there, again, it's very simple. You just click this button right here, Create. You want to upload a video. See the button over here to the right top. Upload the video. The computer's getting a little slow. You select the file. So you go to your desktop where that file is that you just got. You click on that file. You hit Open, and it will upload it. Now this is an invalid format because I didn't save that video, but you will just upload it, just like any one of these. You may recognize some of these that I've made, any one of these. And then once you have that recording, right, once you have that recording, you just copy this link and share it. So it's very simple to do in the PowerPoint. And most of us have used PowerPoint. So I just wanted to make that quick video to show you how to do this.